Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing of the RS3M 2020. Let's get right on to the unboxing. So this is one of the newest flagships, not the newest, it's actually pretty old, but I thought of it's like the end of 2020. Actually not end of, it's already 2020, but as of recording this is like December 22nd, I think, no, 23rd. But yeah, here's the cube. There's tape on it, so I'll probably need some scissors. Let me just find some. Alright, so I got some scissors. Let's see. I don't want to break the box because the box actually feels pretty premium, but okay, yeah, there we go. Let's put the scissors back. Alright, so let's try to open this box without breaking anything, and this is already turning out bad. How do I open this without... Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay. So you get the cube. And a Moyu stand. Great. I'm going to start a collection of these. Alright, so we don't care about that. And an accessories box, which is apparently very hard to get. I'll probably have to unbox from the other side, but who wants to do that? Watch me suffer, guys. Now I'm gonna have to take the scissors again and cut it, because oh wow, I just almost cut myself. Oh guys, sorry guys for the camera movement. There we go. Now I can push this out. Okay, there we go. And here's the box. I'll just close that. Cause I like to store my boxes because they're just cool to store. I mean, definitely. And this is a cube, nice plastic wrapped. Let's take a look at the, wow, this is so hard to get. Oh wow, what the, okay. And oh my god, this is actually like, my tripod is just coming off my desk. So there's some cards. Wait, let me just check. Multifunctional cubes box. I don't even have this box. Why did they even include this? What the heck? This is actually like, I'm so angry. What is this? I don't even have these tools. What the heck? I think they just include everything in here. And this is some stupid stuff, so I'm not even gonna look at that. Team Moyu, we have some person, I can't even read that. And some QR codes of their Facebook. Some Chinese stuff and some Chinese stuff, so who cares about that? Let's remove that all of the way. Let's see what accessories comes with, and that's it for the box. So there's an extra spring compression, not tool, piece. I'll tell about that later. Here's a tool which you can adjust the system, and a screwdriver. Great, I'm gonna start a collection of these. Like, I mean the stand, where'd the stand go? Yeah, right here. Stand and the screwdriver. I'm going to start a collection of them. I'm going to save this and the tool in the accessories box because that's important. And the screwdriver. And everything else. But for now, it's there. And let's take a look at the box. I'm going to like mute this part because it's ASMR. Oh, that was so satisfying. I'm gonna watch that replay like 10 times. Alright, here's the cube itself. Oh, I just did some first names. Okay. So the cube is like a frosted plastic. Yeah, there's some frosted plastic on it. Why does it seem lubricated? I heard that there's no lubricant inside, like pre-installed. Wait, I'll just do some first names and I'll talk about the insides. But for now, the shades actually look pretty good. Let's do some first turns. And I'm gonna be comparing this cube with my Yushin Little Magic because in my opinion, they're both the best budget cubes you can get right now. But before we compare it, I highly recommend the RS3M 2020 for two reasons. First is that I think it's more cheaper. I'm not sure about that, but second reason, I know that this probably has more better hardware. Is from like it's 2020 cube. This is like some 2018 cube, so definitely go for this unless you're watching this on 2020 like one, because that's coming soon. But yeah, let's look at corner cutting. If you haven't watched unboxing this, I'll have a link in the description, and also you can just search on my channel. There aren't many videos yet. So let's look at corner cutting. All right, so let's this is line to line. More. Okay. Okay, so it doesn't go 45 degrees. A little bit less than 45 degrees. No. Around there. No, what the heck? I think it just goes over here. Like more than line to line. Probably not doing it right now. Let's look at corner cutting for this one. I think it'll go line to line. Oh yeah, that was pretty easy. Over here, more than line to line. Oh wow, that's good. Okay, so 45 degrees, you have to put some effort into it. So already I can definitely recommend the RS3M 2020 for more. Whoa, that's big. Oh wow, that's actually pretty good. Let's look at reverse corner cutting for the Ishin Low Magic. Around over here. Wait, what? Okay, so that can cut there. Okay, so line to line. No, not line to line, but like before this. I don't know what you call it, but yeah, it's probably bad. Let's look at corner cutting over here. Alright, that's good. I mean, I really don't mind any bad reverse corner cutting, but like, just look at this. 45 degrees, easy. And you do 45 degrees on this. What is this cube? Oh wow, that is rough. For this, I just feel like it's just much more better. Let's get on to some first turns. Wow, this is actually like really fast. Probably gonna add some strong mounts in this. And I'm gonna be posting a setup video, like how I would set it up. Let's take a look inside here. Whoa, why is this so hard to get out? Okay, so here's the spring compression system. We'll talk about that later. And let's look at the internal piece design. Why is this so hard? Okay. So it does come with some lubricant inside. And here's the piece design. So it's pretty normal with like 2 tracks. And then on the corner, it's also pretty normal. And it just sits like that. And yes, like similar to all the Moyu flagships. What did I say over there? Sorry guys, I'm having some trouble. So I'm just gonna put this back. Alright, so it's actually like really fast. I'm gonna probably time this down and put some faster organs. So let's talk about the spring compression system. Oh my god. It's actually like really tight. Okay, so let's get back into So if you know, some cubes come with extra springs, like different tensions. Some are stronger, some are weaker. Now Moyu reduced it all with just a system. Now this system, there's a screw and then a blue piece. The blue piece that come in the accessories box was the same thing that's already in here. So this is like an extra one if you lost something or something. Here's the tool. Now what this spring is, the system is, right now, there are teeth. So if you put the tool in the notches and then turn it counterclockwise, until it reaches like the highest point right there. That means the cube, like the springs, is more compressed, and that means the cube won't be more tighter, but it's just gonna feel more like the corner cutting. It won't be affected. It's just gonna have more friction than the bottom layers. Let's just show you guys. So over here, I can get like a U2.5. I don't know if that's the thing. And over here, I can only get U2. Let's do it one more time. U2. A little bit less than U2. So it will feel more resistant. The corner cutting, nothing will affect. That's the screw, like how tight you got the screw. And if you do one more time, if you just, so this is the highest, and then now I just reset it to 1. Let me just check how many clicks there are after. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are 9 clicks, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put that back. Why is this so difficult? I don't know. And this is definitely gonna be my main because I just love the RS3M 2020 so much. And this does seem to be removable, so I'm just gonna remove that because I just like removed logos. I don't really like logos because they're just useless. And it doesn't leave any sticky marks. I'm so happy with that. Like, definitely. Now I definitely get this cube. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want, and if you have any questions, so let me know in the description below. But for now, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.